It's recording.
What up?
What up, world?
Fuck bitches, get money. That's all I do. Velos, float.
Check it out.
YouTube that shit, nigga.
Shout outs to your school.
Shout out to Clemente, nigga. Quattro number 4, Clemente Wildcats, nigga. We do that shit. Baseball, money. Home run bat.
Fuck you, pussy. We got my man's T-Dub, Tito, right here. He goes to Clemente too. Motherfucker freshman all day.
This is IG.
And we got motherfucking applying to college cause I'm a retard.
My ACTs are horrible, but I had good grades. Looking ass. IG Aquila.
Say what's up.
My man's got. his
Say what's up to the camera.
Fuck you, bitch. hey, put the camera on me.
What's up?
What? My man's got a 14 on his ACT. But he gets straight A. How the fuck do you get a 14 and get straight A?
He got special
Tell
ed.
me that.
He got special ed.
Tell me that shit.
He's a special ed.
You can tell my man's balls shrivel up when he takes tests. Scary berry is.
On the camera, you have. Damn.
Put your feet up.
Look, stretch your leg out. Hey. Stretch your leg out like this. Come on, man.
You a straight fag.
Hey, your toes are on point, nigga.
These show him, man. Zoom in. Go upstairs and go get him.
Shit, right? No, I don't feel.
Let me see the camera.
Pass that shit.
Fucking blow. Them bitches big as shit.
The motherfucker's fat. The motherfucker's chicharrones. Fat ass.
Hey, está muy feo.
Ahora le vato a comer casa Chewy, dog. Motherfucker say he wasn't there.
Hey, check out my shoe game though. It's half of it. This is my shoe game. Happy. Look at them Adidas. I never seen those before. Them Nike's bogus hell because Marcy got them motherfuckers. But it's alright. Marcy, I love you. Look at them Nikes. You know what I'm saying? You know, cool as hell. No, fuck those. Those are Marcy's.
They're mighty kind of big. You
No.
want them?
You know what I'm saying?
Check out this exclusive ass snapback.
Snapback, boy. Take that fucking fitted off.
Check that shit out.
Take this shit out, you know what I'm saying?
Word.
Mikey rocks with the cool kids. Snapback, boy, take that fucking fitted off. We fuck with snapbacks, not fitted, you know what I'm saying? Fitted, this for baseball, this when you want fucking bitches getting money, you know what I'm saying? So, yeah. That's me right here.
Bitches.
Ugly as hell, you know what I'm saying? But I'm cute as hell, man, you know what I'm saying? So you vote, you know, ladies. The ladies love me. I'm on my cool J.
Go Brett Favre.
And that bitch right now. And they with a.
This kid was so cute. He's a baby.
I got a little penis.
Poppy. Oh, Poppy.
You know what I'm saying? That's my man's right there. That's retard Jay. You know what I'm saying? My man's got eczema, but it's all it's all good. You know what I'm saying? Show that neck. Show that neck. My man's ugly. You know what I'm saying? But what can you do? My man got eczema. You itch. You know, you got the little itch. You know what I'm saying? The ladies love me. I'm on my cool J.
Hey, he needs this for his neck right there. Petroleum jelly.
He needs all that. You know what I'm saying? And my man's need a tutor. Cause he got a 14 on his ACT. 14.
Hey, is this a camera?
You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna end it right now.
Okay.
Potty out.
Clap, bravo.